Jai Sriman Narayana. During this Sharan Navaratri days, this is the second day. Today, Lord Goddess Durga is in the form of Dhanya Lakshmi. The goddess is generally portrayed attired in green garments, symbolizing the greenery of agricultural land, which results in a rich harvest. Green is also associated with growth, renewal, and resurgence, which replenishes the land with fresh new resources. Goddess Dhanya Lakshmi is depicted as an 8-armed goddess, wielding various agricultural products in 3 of her hands. 2 of her hands are shown holding lotuses, and 1 wields a mace. Her other 2 hands are in Abhaya Mudra and Varada Mudra, which signify her objective of providing grains and charity for the poor and hungry. Jai Sriman Narayana. My website www.vedaastrologer.blogspot.com. Thank you.